Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to cancel your Wix Premium plan and request a refund. This is helpful if you no longer need the subscription or want to explore other options. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, we will go to Billing and Subscriptions under your account. From there, click on Premium Subscriptions or Premium Plan. Here you can see your current plan. You can cancel it by going to this bill. You can also go to Billing and History. You can cancel your plan by clicking on this plan. It will appear here, or it will appear under Premium Subscriptions. It will appear here. You can cancel the status. You can cancel it here. Once the subscription is purchased, you will find it here, and you can view your past billing history when you click on this one. If you want to cancel, go to your status and click Cancel Subscription and get a refund. That's how we cancel a Wix Premium plan and get a refund. By following these simple steps, we can manage our subscription and avoid any unwanted charges.